the tales that to me were so dear. Long, long ago, long, long ago, long, long ago, long ago.
We haven't any food and we haven't got a cent. It's weeks and weeks since we paid the rent. Now I'm hungry. I like a little fish.
Don't look at me. I'm not your dish.
I once had some hay, but I ate it all up.
I ain't had a fly since it was up. Everything's gone.
What do we do now?
I've got an idea. We'll sell the cow.
He's got an idea. He'll sell the cow.
Sell the cow.
Sell the cow.
Who, me? Oh, well, I can take it.
He can take it. He can take it. Look at the pretty beans. I'll trade them for your cow. You sold our cow for these paltry beans? Oi! Get to bed, you crazy brat, or I get mad and knock you flat. Good night, Mother dear. I like little boys.
I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Bring me my money bag, my harp in my hand. Play. Play.
Tell me the tales that